I was sent the Honeyque shampoo and conditioner, and first of all, can we talk about the packaging? How it just reminds you of a honeycomb and that they can literally lay next to each other. It just looks good in your bathroom. Plus the coloring, so good. Okay, I love the packaging. I also love that it's made in Japan. We recently went to Japan, and just Japanese hair and it's so amazing already, just the care they put into it. So you know you're getting a really high quality product. Now, if you have dry, frizzy hair like me, these are gonna be really good for you. So I have very dry, frizzy hair, but you can't tell because I just started using this, and I think it is starting to make a difference in my hair as well. It smells really nice. It has honey in it. I love that. It even has collagen in it and just ways to help repair your hair and bring it back to health. So if you struggle with dry hair, frizzy hair, definitely check this out and try it for yourself.